Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're here with a makeup challenge. I've been trying to think of a makeup challenge on my own for so long, and I would think of something and then look it up and someone has already done it. Literally every makeup challenge has been done. But me and my mom sat down yesterday and was really thinking of putting our brains to the test, and I think we found a challenge that no one has done yet. So the challenge is the everything but challenge. So what that means is, for example, for your foundation, you can use everything but foundation. For your eyeshadow, you can use everything but eyeshadow, and etc. So I looked this up, and I don't think anyone has done this yet. If I'm wrong, please let me know down below, but hopefully I'm crossing my fingers that no one has done this yet. So yes, I am super excited. Hopefully you guys like this video. So yes, if you guys want to see the everything but challenge, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with our brows. Now again, you can use everything but a brow product. So for this, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow. Now it was so hard to find like the perfect shade for me. I was looking through all my eyeshadow palettes and they're too cool, too warm, but I think I found a color that may match perfectly. So it's from the Lorac Pro 3 palette, and this is what it looks like. It's very beat up. I used to use it all the time. And I think this shade called Cool Taupe is going to work perfectly for my brows. So let's cross our fingers and hope this brow color works. So yes, let's get started. I'm a little nervous with this because for brows, I'm so picky when it comes to them. I don't know. I like to use a pencil when I'm doing my brows, so it looks pretty good. Going in with concealer, I'm just gonna clean that up. Think? What do you think? I think it looks really good. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and set them. We can't use a brow gel, so I'm going to be taking this NARS. This is the Triple X lip gloss, just a clear lip gloss. And we're going to be setting our brows with this. I'm just going to be taking a little spoolie, dipping into that. I like that. Kind of like that better than a regular brow gel. It's sticky, so it like holds the brows perfectly in place. Okay, so that is the one brow, and I think it looks pretty good, and the color is perfect. So I'm going to do the other brow off camera because this took so long. You guys have no clue. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll be right back to do the eyes. So I went ahead and did this brow off camera. This one's always the better brow. I should have started with this one. But that one looks really good, and they both look great. I think they look like I used like a brow powder. I love that lip gloss to use as like a clear brow gel. It really made the brows really bushy and stay, so I love that. So now to prime our eyes, anything but primer, we're going to be using concealer. I already love to do this. So I'm just going to be concealing my eyes. This is the Too Faced concealer. Okay, so now that our eyes are nice and primed, now for the eyeshadow, I was a little bit nervous about this because I was like, what can I use instead of an eyeshadow? So we're going to be using liquid lipsticks to create our look. So for them, I'm going to be using the Superstay Matte Ink ones because the colors are so pretty. We have like the perfect fall colors. So I'm kind of nervous, but we're going to go ahead and do it anyway. So for the first color, we are going to be taking in the shade Driver, number 55. It's like a nice transitional color. So let's do that. I'm a little nervous. I'm going to pop it on the back of my hand to start off with. Just like that. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking that on a brush and popping that in my face. That looks so good. What do you guys think? I like it. I'm digging it. Alright, so now taking the same Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Voyager in 50. I'm going to put this on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. So again, just taking that. Ooh, that is very dark. I'm a little nervous. Now taking it with a pointed pencil brush. I'm just going to apply this to the outer edge. Okay, so then lastly going in with the darkest shade, 85 Protector, and putting this on the outer corner, again, putting it on the back of my hand. It's like a really nice brown shade. Going back in with concealer, I'm just going to clean up that lid. Okay, so I think we have the eyeshadow. It looks so good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the face, and then we'll finish the eyes up later. So now for foundation, I'm going to be using my concealer. To do that, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I'm going to be mixing these two shades, Snow and Light Beige, to kind of get my perfect shade. So to highlight and conceal, I'm going to be taking my NARS foundation and just highlighting with that. That looks so good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like having that nice like dewy finish to the foundation under my eyes looks so good. And that full coverage mattified concealer for the foundation, I'm living for it. To set all of that, we're going to be taking the Morphe 35B palette and just taking these two shades right here. And let's see, I'm going to use like a brush like this. Hopefully it isn't too dark. I'm a little nervous. But actually it's like perfect. Oh my god. Look at that. Like brightened it too. Before we finish up the face, we're going to go ahead and finish up the bottom lash line. So before I add any more product, I'm just going to go in with that same pointed pencil brush with the leftover product because I don't want too much on my bottom lash line. Look at that. That's perfect. That looks so good. This is insane right now. I thought it was going to come out like so bad, but it looks so good. And the only thing I'm worried about is my mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to be using an eyeliner. I was thinking of getting a spoolie and like putting that all over. Is this not going to work? Actually, it's working a little bit, not like perfectly, but like you can kind of see a difference, right? Maybe if I like do it right off of the brush. I think that's the best we're gonna get. That looks pretty good. Can you guys tell? That looks pretty good. I mean, what we're working with. Okay, so I think we're done with the eyes. We're not going to get a lot of mascara on today. So now going in with bronzer. So to bronze, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and taking this shade. This is Sandalwood. hopefully this works. I'm not sure how good, but we'll see. Oh, it's actually pretty good. For blush, I'm taking the Laura Lee Nudie Patootie palette and taking this shade with a little bit of that shade, or actually let's go with this shade and this shade for the blush. See this lightly because it's a pretty dark shade. What? That looks so loving. And then for highlight, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe and taking these two first shades. Okay, we're done with the face. That looks so good. And lastly, for lips, not sure what I want to do. So for lipstick, I'm taking this Pixie eyeliner in, what shade? In Matte Mulberry. Let's see if that works. So this is it for the completed everything but challenge. I think it came out so good. The only thing I would say is I wish I had mascara, like something more black on my lashes. And yes, this is my look of the everything but challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.